Beef bone stew is that brown the beef bone slow, locking all the flavor deep. Korea Seolleongtang is that simmer white bones long till the broth turns milky sweet. Beef bone stew is that carrots, onions, potatoes stew grows heavy with time. Korea Seolleongtang is that green onion, garlic in the pot soups they clear yet shines. Beef bone stew is that chunky bites on the table, rustic warmth in every bowl. Korea Seolleongtang is that drop the rice in the broth, gentle mornings fill my soul. Different lands but the same hearts, stew or soup, they both hail the dark, thick and rich or clear and deep. Every spoonful is the love we keep. Beef bone stew is that seasoned with thyme, bay leaf, herbs, filling the air with earth. Korea Seolleongtang is that just a pinch of salt at the end, showing purity's worth. Beef bone stew is that thick and rich, it gathers families on cold nights. Korea Seolleongtang is that clear, deep, generations keep the warmth alive. Different lands but the same hearts, stew or soup, they both hail the dark, thick and rich or clear